People from all over are traveling to Alabama to help out with that disaster relief effort, including from right here in Jackson. A 6-member command team with the Salvation Army is helping our neighboring state. They're providing food, water, and shelter.
Just dealing with people who've lost property, even if they've not lost a family member, just losing property can be a truly significant loss. You know, in past disasters, I've talked with people that have lost everything they've owned and everything that took them 30, 40, 50 years to accumulate.
Now, if you're interested in helping donate, you can visit our website, WJTV.com, for that.